Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn take and upload the backup file to a specified AWS S3 bucket. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So this is the full-fledged code for that part. So we are going to combine AWS S3 bucket plus the backup because we have already talked about the both the videos. Now it's a combined one. Okay, so here we have the full-fledged code. First of all, let's create the file. Okay, so this would be the file. So let's go to terminal, touch, and this will create your file. So here we have php bash. So here we have the backup and upload. Let's open with this and let's paste this code. Okay, done. So what we have done, so here we have a source directory to backup, which directory you want to backup. Okay, so here we have home, no. So let's take an example of the var php control L control C. Let's add the backup file, php slash light. Okay, so we have added local backup storage where the backup should be storage. Okay, we will take this as this current. Let's take this one php with the backup name, right? So here backups in the php backups will be created and the light backup will go over there. The S3 bucket name. So here we have the S3 bucket name. So I'm going to add this S3 bucket name over there. And the next one, let's go to the properties. We have this one. So let's add this region. Okay, backup date 7. Okay, and this is that one. Okay, so create a backup. If not exist, then create a backup directory. Creating the backup archive. So first of all, we are going to create the backup part with this. Okay, tar file. Okay, after this backup created, check and install the AWS CLI. So AWS CLI is installed or what? So first of all, we have to do this one. So this is a basically setup for checking the and install the AWS CLI. So make sure you have to do this one. Okay, so this is the command for curl. Okay, and then install that one. Okay, and remove the AWS CLI zip file. Check if AWS is configured or what. So if it is not configured, then message that CLI is not configured, please run AWS configure. Okay, now upload the backup. First part that we have installed the CLI AWS, then we go with the backup, also backup done, CLI install done. Then the second last step would be the upload the backup to S3. So this is the uploading to the bucket name. Okay, so we are using the copy command, cp for copying to the S3 bucket. Okay, upload successful or upload fail, and delete the old local backups with the help of this. So this is the code for removing the backup if it is old, or if you want to delete that bucket. Okay, so this code we have to also add, like if it's 7 day older, then delete this backup. Otherwise in the bucket it's okay. Okay, and you can make a logic regarding this. Okay, so let's save this code and let's run this. Okay, what will happen? So first of all, we have to give the permissions to this. Okay, now I'm going to take a run this command. Okay, and let's see, and here you can see that in this upload images we have uploads backup, right? Okay, let's remove it and let's run this command. Let's add the delete over here and delete the object. Okay, so this is done. Let's run the command. Okay, ready, go. Okay, let's see. uploads. So here we have the backup file is uploaded, backup dot current time and date. You can see the backup is there. And if I go to our which one in the light we have make the backups, no, in the PHP we have a backups. So here we have the backup folder, backups. So this is backup is created, right? So this is how we can take the backup, upload to the S3 bucket easily. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.